In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain to Cloudflare. If you're new to Cloudflare or simply looking to enhance your web presence by leveraging their powerful security and performance features, you've come to the right place. We're going through this step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding at every stage. To get started, navigate to the Cloudflare homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the full suite of features available to you. Once there, you'll want to direct your attention to the Domains section. This is the hub of where all your domain configurations will take place on Cloudflare. By clicking Domains, you'll prepare to add your new domain. Next, you'll need to enter your domain name. It's important to type in the exact domain you wish to add to Cloudflare without missing any details or typos, so double check your spelling here to avoid any possible hiccups down the line. After entering your domain name, you'll click on the Quick Scan for DNS Records option. This will allow Cloudflare to gather all existing DNS records automatically, which makes sure everything is there from the start and saves you from manually entering records. After the quick scan, you'll see the option to block on all pages for now. This essentially is a global setting that blocks harmful traffic across all pages while allowing you time to fine-tune security settings specific to your needs. With this in place, you'll click on Continue. Now comes the decision around choosing the right plan for your needs: free, pro, business, or enterprise. Each of these plans offers different levels of service and protection, tailored to varying needs and budgets. For newcomers or those just dipping their toes into the world of Cloudflare, the free option is a great starting point. It provides fundamental resilience against online threats without requiring a financial commitment, while more advanced users or those operating larger websites might consider the Pro, Business, or Enterprise plans, which offer increased features and customer support. For this guide, we will focus on the free plan. So go ahead and click on Select Plan under the free option. This step finalizes the initial setup process. Though in a simple explainer video like this, selecting the free plan is sufficient, it's always good practice to review each option. Later on, as your site grows or your needs change, you can always upgrade to a plan that matches your requirements. And there you have it. You're all set up and your domain is now successfully added to Cloudflare. By following these steps, you've taken an important stride in securing and optimizing your digital presence, harnessing the potential of Cloudflare's vast network infrastructure. Remember, if any step seems confusing or if you're having issues, Cloudflare's support and documentation are there to guide you through. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.